Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Rubal Solutions. Students, today the last chapter of Class 3 Exercise Sheet Series, Question and Answer Series, Lesson 8, Simple Movements of Sprite. अगर बेटा आपको पूरा चैप्टर चाहिए तो प्लेलिस्ट में जाइए और वहाँ पे क्लास 3 की प्लेलिस्ट देखिए, वहाँ पर सारे चैप्टर्स एक्सप्लेन किए गए हैं. ओके, this is just the question and answer series. Let's go directly to the question and answer of lesson 8 class 3 simple movements of sprite. Let's move to the question and answers. Section A. When you start a new Scratch project, it begins with the dash sprite. The answer is cat. The dash block allows the sprite to say some message in a voice bubble. Say. The stop button is placed on the top right corner of the Scratch window. Dash block allows the sprite to wait for the specified number of seconds. The answer is wait. The dash block will play specified sound, pausing its scripts until the sound has finished playing. Play sound until done. Now comes the true false. A sprite cannot speak in Scratch project. False. You can change the costume of sprite with the help of costume tab. True. Sound block menu contains blocks to play sound in your Scratch project. True. The stop button is green in color. False. You can repeat the action of sprite as many times as needed. True. One wants to make Scratch project where he wants to use different costumes of sprite. Suggest him the appropriate block to perform the action. Answer is costume block. Prakhar wants to stop the Scratch project before it ends. Suggest him the right button to use to stop the Scratch project anytime during the execution. Stop button. Match the following. Play drum 48 for 0.2 beats. The answer is sound. Repeat 15. The answer is control. Stamp. The answer is pen. Turn 15 degrees. The answer is motion. Change color effect by 25. The answer is looks. Now comes the section B. Multiple choice questions. Dash block contains the looks of sprite. The answer is looks. The sprite tab and the costume tab share dash space. Same. The say hello block allows the sprite to say some message in a dash bubble. To move a block anywhere in the script area, click on the dash block of script. Top. Name the block that allows sprite to change other costume. Costume block. Which block allows the sprite to say some message for specified number of seconds. Say for dash block seconds. Which option do we use to choose sprite costume from the library? Costume tab. Name the block that makes the sprite wait for some seconds. Where can you find this block? That is control block. Name the block that is used to run script again and again. Mention the block category where it is found. Repeat control block category. Name any two blocks from the looks block menu in Scratch. Say, wait, change size, etc. What do you know about green flag button? Green flag is a tiny icon placed at the top right corner of the Scratch screen. Clicking on the green flag will run script step by step. Briefly explain the use of forever block in the Scratch. Blocks held inside this block will be in a loop that never ends unless the stop button is clicked. Which block should be used to play the sound of sprite? Sound block menu. What is the purpose of using when flag click block? This block is in control block and the most used block in the Scratch. When the image of flag shows how the block is connected with actual green flag, scripts that begin with this block will run once the green flag is clicked. I hope this question and answer series is beneficial to you all, and if you want to learn the chapter, then please go to the playlist section and search for class 3 playlist. This here comes the end of class 3 playlist. Now class 3 question and answer playlist. We have completed class 2 series, class 2 question and answer series, class 3 series, class 3 question and answer series. Now we will soon carry on with class 4 or 5, and more videos will be coming up. So stay tuned and keep learning. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. Thank you. Have a nice day. Love.